Okie dokie. Thank you. I think. Spending seal points. Global power. Okay. So that should give the melee damage, range damage, stealth damage. A mi sé déanaan na bhís mi Cluicheamaid gamichin Assassin's Creed bí déanaan $1 on stealth agus range. So réite go dúra seo gon cud mi an a melee é. Jeez. Jé ile a ham. Oops. Well, we're on Shein. Jeez. No sin. No sin, we're on Shein a cheannach. Okay. Sin dála chud ping and a melee. Agus. And a stealth. And a stealth. Sin Dhachaigh sin na sin go. Okay. Multiple quests accepted. Well, has ping in it. Okay. Well. Melee resistance. Sin female. Way of the Raven. Okay. Yoshin Shin. Agus melee resistance. Yeah, we're son Kusunya a Koska Jiraka cat at a screen action. Nearby quest.
Eivor, looking rough you are. Welcome home.
What am
Eivor, did you bring us any treasure?
Oh,
I return.
yeah. Daniela dialogue. Oh, sure.
Hello, Eivor.
Well, look who it is.
Alvis.
Practicing your wordplay, Alvis.
Oh,
Eivor! The only mouth in Midgard from which I fear mockery.
You told me the art of writing poetry, old friend. It is only natural that I surpass you soon.
How about another lesson then? A quick flight. Right here, right now. What do you say?
Let's try flight.
Gunjaku.
I always put a few coins down as a wager. Most of those who enjoy flighting have an equal fondness for betting. But today, we'll abstain. Let me begin.
I'm ready.
In flighting, it's key to match cadence and rhyme. It's as much about sound as it is about time. So be careful in choosing the words that you say.
Mi dal lei seo. I can't better
I
believe
recall
or
that
shouldn't
you
have
taught
avail
where
a
I
chat
entered the
or
fray.
a screen
A
echo.
fine answer. Perfect rhyme and a lovely cadence to match my line. Now, let us examine meaning. In flighting, you'll need to be cutting and keen. It's about wielding wit more than venting your spleen. If I tell you you're foolish and stupid and dull,
Then I will spit in your face and I will bash in your skull.
not bad, not bad. The rhyme is there, the sound is good, but consider that I said you were silly and you told me you would kill me. At times, it might be best to remain on theme. Something to consider.
Joe Carla screaming.
Last one. So go then and conquer the world with your wit. Go be clever, be quick, show your spirit and grit. I look eagerly forward to seeing how you fare.
I look forward to becoming far more than you can bear.
A good rhyme, but a bad structure. Close, you're close. There's still much for you to learn about flighting, but I'm confident you'll pick it up. Happy to help you learn if you'd like to come back again.
Perhaps I will. Thank you,
They're
Alvis.
on Gal, sin feed the nurse barach. Pal Josh Tain. Winning and fighting. Oh, a bit ago should have leaving. But there's been sin fed avail a chat.
Is there no one who will go around with me?
All right, Tekla. I'll outdream. Hey, Tekla. What is brewing?
Alvis tells me this brew is
Pàirt.
too strong.
Oh.
Can you handle a few rounds?
Jay le had rang.
að finna satt hérna. Átti að reykja flest kjötin. Nafnrófur aumar sig ef allt sé reykt.
Yuck.
Rule-monger.
Yuck. Oops. Can you listen about... En spinchig wel een veerging review fijn van Fashgate en Ace is hoe go. Snap a lie today. Pàirt nog goed al.
Be kissing a flagstone soon.
Oh, woof. Headshot? Headshot? Is that it? Yuck.
I could outdrink every one of you.
Not bad.
Don't
I
feel
guess that was
bad.
on. Good job.
Most of these backgrounds would have pissed themselves so past by
Get
now.
on there, get on
Is
there.
there no one who will go around
Right.
with me?
Yeah, she shouldn't have. And she can't help doing it. Well, enough good. Like she took him, I guess. She jock at him.
Let us
This
amuse
land
the
will never
gods.
prosper while clan
Who would
battles
like to
stand.
hear a story? Who would enjoy a tale of the gods?
Okay, I'll get it.
There has always been war, even among the gods. When Midgard
Nu is een famous in Brynjar Cherie, hij shouldn't feed.
Welcome back.
Gunnar, I have something here you might like to see.
Thunderclap of Thor! Is that your father's axe? I have not seen this beauty since, well, for some time. I forged this weapon long ago. Still looks good. One of my finest, I think.
It has a blunted blade, but it swings well. Can you sharpen it?
I can give it a better edge and reinforce the handle. And as luck would have it, I have one ingot left for the job.
Nou,
Are you
voor
sure?
je nog shit.
The fates have willed it so. But in future, bring your own metal ingots. I cannot forge them from empty air.
Okay, hands gear. Okay, ingots. Rune slots. Okay. Shoot all in. Shut up. There it is. Superior bearded axe. New rune slot. Ska jag hem?
That should do it. Anything else?
That is all for
Jag känner
now.
kanske gör.
Return anytime.
among the gods. When Midgard was young, Asgard was torn.
Richting... Valka? Jag vet mycket där Valka. Jag känner... Randvi? Ni? I did go... Okay, well, pretty sure Randvi.
They must be finished now.
If you have any other business, it may be wise to do it now. Let him cool down.
I could speak to Volka first. Get this weight off my
And
mind.
your son,
The
Dreamy
king is not
Valka.
going anywhere.
Okay, have a Valka. Clan is happy to see Igor returned. Show Valka?
Sven, have you
Sven.
designed any new tattoos?
A few worth looking at?
Okay,
Let
well,
me have a look.
tattooing.
Go ahead.
Tattoo shop. Okay. Still on Raven Guard. sin. Agus chuid go bhfuil fáil ceisceáil me lethe. Alright.
Is there something else?
See you later, Sven.
Sure.
Right, Carvel.
I have not had the wind all day. I must turn this
Okay.
around.
Colas go raibh game dísna na hasin. Agus get this fear hallam D&D a chrid me go raibh seo. Go raibh sin na visibly. So, chrid me go raibh that.
Toby, trading a needle for an arrow, I see.
Eivor, can you teach me the art of archery?
I'll be happy to. See how I'm standing? Plant your feet in the ground, no wider than your shoulders. Breathe in as you draw the arrow back. Look at the point you want to hit, and now imagine the arrow passing straight through it.
Thank you, Eivor. Now, I have something for you.
See? All in the eye.
Thank you, Eivor. As a gift, I could design a new
Ooh.
tattoo for you. Something to decorate your scar.
A kind offer. I want this scar visible.
Oh, I did not mean to offend. In any case, I do have a tattoo for you.
Okay, tattoo hele. This is the tattoo shop. Right. Carvel. Okay. Tattoo, blacksmith. Etiquette. All. Carvel. Welke. Stoch ik veel met die dag. Veel meer. Stoch ik wel even vol de chagrijsje. Gaan jullie even kijken. Carvel. Val. Oh. The seer lives in the mountains north of Farnborough. Okay, well, the Rami are Shinnik, conviction of Jenny. Tillidh. So, okay, well, Shinna Jenny Keel inished, right. Tudus. Oh, they can fly. Ration of food, scan your hand. Hi, I got the room. I can eat the show. Ha is nach biu furach faravelu or some gamma it fat. So can you is kun Rakashin Farnberg and cost wel een map niet van boord. So Tishin gaan ze het hasha nyom ter hasha en heel is hem nu nun en hem okay, cheers. Microphone right shop. Tillidh me in sin, glues me back in the Sashka. Who's in the shed? Ach, aye, yeah, no. Carter om ik niet de show. Kishin maar een H. Stel me tour als je een werkelijk wel card acum tour shot a flag gebraasde. Geurtjig. Shouldn't I gear die hekalles? There. Alca's hut. Wel, hyd sy'n yn gandyn i lo. Iech nich mi, nach... nach... Am I cael clach the Assassin's Creed Odyssey gyrach fi cwmwtach leim gyrffal fel gach rwyd agos tweitiwm gwlad ach chynio sy'n bwyd y gwbl yn sio.